have made numerous requests to the Commissioner. Earlier, different teams have approached the Commissioner. We have put up a proposal or a request, rather a request to the Commissioner asking him to sanction the budget for the core vaccination to be given to all the street dogs. But until now, it's been on deaf ears. BBMP for some reason has been reluctant and not heeding to the requests that we have been putting across for so many times.
बेंगलुरु में जानवरों से मोहब्बत रखने वाले और फलाही माहिरीन ने बीबीएमपी कमिश्नर से मुलाकात की और सड़कों पर आवारा कुत्तों के वैक्सीनेशन के लिए बजट की तजवीज़ पेश की ताकि उन्हें डिस्टेंपर, हेपेटाइटिस और लेप्टोस्पायरोसिस जैसे मुहलिक इन्फेक्शन से बचाया जा सके।
We have actually made multiple requests to Commissioner, meeting him earlier, and we have asked for a budget to be sanctioned for the animal welfare, wherein we want the core vaccinations, which is a combination of distemper, parvo, leptospirosis viruses, which need to be given to all the community dogs of Bangalore. Now, the main reason for this is CD has become very rampant across the city. The canine distemper. Usually what happens when a healthy dog is picked up for a surgery and taken to the ABC center, the dog would go through a mental stress, trauma, and along with that, the immunity level of the dog would have compromised. It would have become very low immunity level. Now, once this healthy dog goes to the ABC center for surgery, any virus infected dog in the center, what happens? The spread of the virus comes to this healthy dog, and post the surgery, when this dog is released to the area, then automatically this dog which has got the virus will start suffering. Within a span of 5 to 7 days, the dog goes into a very critical condition. And along with this, the healthy dogs which are in and around the area where the dog has been released, they are also prone for infections.
As per the Supreme Court orders, BBMP is doing a ABC ARV program. But in that one, what is happening is that there is an outbreak of viral infection, canine distemper, parvo, everything. And the BBMP had failed to give the canine core vaccine for the health of the dog. Okay, now because of that, what is happening is that the street dogs are suffering from all viral infections. And upon that, there is a Delhi High Court PIL which tells that the government has to ensure the supply of 9-in-1 vaccine, the treatment for all the infected dogs, everything. But as such in BBMP, there is no such provisions.
Core vaccination is very important for the community dogs, just like the pet dogs who receive the vaccination on an annual year basis. The community dogs also need the vaccination.
I'm here today because I have personally seen the dogs in my area. I've been feeding them from long. 5 of them were taken for the ABC program. When they came back with infection. They died in front of me. I tried hard saving them. I just couldn't do enough. I'm requesting BBMP to please wake up, help us save these dogs, do your part, ensure that they are vaccinated, and when they are taken for ABC program, they are taken care of.